In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the Phantom Wallet swap failed error. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to successfully execute your token swaps without encountering issues. Start by locating the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Open the app, and once the interface is displayed, look for the swap button. This button is typically found on the main screen of the wallet. Click on Swap to proceed to the swapping interface. Next, you will need to verify your balance of Solana, often abbreviated as SOL. This is crucial because you need enough SOL to cover the network fees associated with your transaction. Check the balance displayed on your wallet screen to ensure sufficient funds are available. If you find that your SOL balance is low, consider reducing the amount you wish to swap slightly. This adjustment ensures that some SOL remains in your wallet to pay for transaction fees, preventing further errors during the swap process. After adjusting your swap amount, it's essential to double-check the tokens you have selected in the You Pay and You Receive peels. Ensure that you are swapping the correct tokens, as any discrepancies can lead to swap failures. Once you've confirmed that all details are correct, click on the swap button again. This action will initiate the transaction. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction details. Make sure to review everything before proceeding. If the swap still fails after following these steps, try closing the Phantom Wallet application completely. Once it is closed, reopen the app and attempt the swap again. Sometimes simply restarting the application can resolve temporary issues. Alternatively, you can consider using a decentralized exchange like Jupiter. To do this, connect your Phantom Wallet to the Jupiter platform. This method can provide additional options for swapping tokens and may help you bypass the error you encountered.